Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the MooCreator Day 2026.
These are the ones that are going to surprise you, and when you wake up the next morning, totally things have changed.
So the key is to find your investment and trading style. I guess option is quite important.
With just one instrument, you can do all of this.
Big or small, investment or financial literacy, I think we are all improving all of that for all of Malaysians, and I'm happy for that. So thank you, everyone.